Hey guys, I'm Bianca. Welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be a fun video because I'm going to show you what fall decor I found at my two Dollar Trees that I have close to me. I haven't done one of these videos in so long, but I wanted to, show you guys this new stuff that I found. Okay, so let's jump into the video. I forgot the microwave's on. I'm heating up some coffee. But I'm going to go ahead and show you in no particular order, just pulling out from the bags. What I really wanted to do this year was incorporate copper items in my fall decor. So when I saw this, I really wanted to grab it, but it's just a little jar, but with that copper lid. So I really like that, and they did have a lot of them. I don't know why I only picked up one. So I really like the way the glass looks, and of course the lid. This sign that I am going to show you was also in last year's fall line. So do you guys remember this sign? Or maybe if it wasn't, it was similar. So I really like that because of the faux shiplap look. And even if I don't use it, I'll definitely find a DIY for this one. And then I picked up a little 4-pack of orange little pumpkins. They come with like floral wire, so I guess you can put them on whatever you like. They also have the LED lights this year again. Last year I do remember seeing the leaf ones, and they did have those again, but I know I have quite a bit of them in my stash, which I need to bring out like this week. But I picked up the pumpkin ones. Do you guys remember them having the pumpkin ones last year? Okay, so I saw these reusable coffee cups. So I picked up 3 packs of them. The first one is this one. It just says Rise and Grind in an orange print, and they are microwave and dishwasher safe. So they come with 2. And then this one in a navy blue print. This one says Make Today Amazing. And then this last one says Drink Up in a gray color. Now I'm going to show you the pretty narrow signs that come out every year. So this first one, it says Be Grateful, and it's kind of like a greenish, a really light green color, which I'm not obsessed about. And then it has the buffalo check on the side. Now this one I really like. It's so pretty. This one says Hello Autumn with more pumpkins on the sides, but I love the print on the sides of it. It has a yellow color. This is another light green one that says Welcome Fall. And this one has the brown and white gingham on the sides. And then the last one that I picked up out of those types of signs was this one. This one says Harvest Blessings. And then the sides, if you like farmhouse or wood tones, you're gonna love this because it has that wood tone on the sides. I think my favorite out of those is this one with the yellow print on the side. So which one is your favorite? Let me know. Okay, so more signs. I found this really pretty Grateful and Blessed sign. It kind of looks like a mason jar or jar. It has pumpkins, sunflowers, really pretty. So I found 2 like that. If you guys are into the red trucks like for fall and Christmas, then you're gonna like the line that they have because they do have a lot of red trucks. So this one is the one I'm talking about. It says Hello Fall, and there you go with the red truck and all the pumpkins. So I only found those 2 as far as the differences of this type of sign. So which one do you like more, this one or the other one? All right, so these wooden pumpkins, they are back again this year. I know I've had picked up some of these last year, so what I did was just pick up all 4 of the different ones that they had at my Dollar Tree. So this first one says Pumpkin Kisses and Harvest Wishes. It's just kind of hard to read with the glitter. I know a lot of people don't like glitter, so the best thing I can say for you to do with these is to just sand them down and add your own pattern on top or wording that you like. I'll show you some DIYs on these pumpkins. So there's this one. There's a black one that says gather with grateful hearts. And then there's the greenish, light greenish, I don't even know what color to call this pumpkin. It says eat, drink, and give thanks. And then the last one is the orange one, thankful, grateful, blessed, and then some pumpkins on the bottom. So I think I had all three of these last year. The greenish one, I don't know if they had that color out, but I did not pick up this one last year. Normally, I don't really decorate for Halloween. They already had Halloween stuff at my $2 trees, but I did see some little, I guess, candle holders that I picked up that are Halloween related. But so I picked up 2 of these, but I really liked the color of the glass. So if I don't want to keep this on there, I mean, I can take it off. So I like that. All right, and then I found one of these little signs. It is on a red felt background, and you can hang it up at the top. So it just says give thanks, and with a couple of pumpkins in the front, sunflowers, leaves. I know you guys have probably heard about the pill and stick tiles at Dollar Tree. Now I'm sure you can order these online. I don't think I've ever ordered anything from Dollar Tree online. I did see one of these left at my Dollar Tree, so I decided to pick it up. I don't know, maybe I can find something to do with it since it has that kind of like rose gold copper type color in the background. All right, so I have a lot more signs to show y'all. This one says thankful, grateful, and blessed. And this is more of a farmhouse type theme sign if you like that. And then something similar to that, except it's a different color, is this one. I like this one better than the one I just showed you, except this one has, well, no, they both have glitter. Okay, well, this one says pumpkin, I'm trying to move the tag out the way. Pumpkin spice and everything nice. I love the gray background. I think that's really pretty, but you know, it does have a lot of gold glitter on there. And every time I see some of these window decorations, I always get them for the kids because they like to stick them on the windows. They have fun doing it. So I picked up one of these. It just says autumn. And this is random, but I did pick up a wooden arrow. Okay, so maybe a couple months ago, my Dollar Tree did put out the wood crafts. So let me know if your Dollar Tree has the wood craft section, because mine just came out with. I found this hanging sign, has 3 little signs on it: grateful, thankful, and blessed. I love the colors on those. Again, it just has glitter on there. And you guys probably remember these pumpkins. This one says welcome friends with a little sunflower. They had these last year. I picked up 2 different kinds, I believe. So this is the other one, Hello Fall, and it has a tiny little pumpkin off to the side. I was actually able to find a red truck. I don't think I've ever been able to find this red truck. I know they had something similar last year. Here you go. This one says Happy Harvest, and it's just the back of the red truck with the pumpkins, and then it has like a galvanized leaf up here. This one says Harvest Blessings, and I believe I had a sign like this before. This pumpkin is super cute. It says Happy Thanksgiving, and it has a kind of like a galvanized piece right here where it says Thanksgiving. But I could just think of so many DIYs for all of these signs that I have. Last but not least, I found 2 yard signs. So this first one says Home Sweet Home. And I'm not sure what's going on with the middle one, because I thought they were trying to go with like the same theme of colors that I was showing you, but this one looks more like a bluish color rather than a light green. Yeah, it's kind of different. All right, and then the last one is with the pretty red truck on it. So this one says 25 cents a pound with red glitter. I actually like this one. I could probably just change this part with the glitter, sand it off, and put a different type of wording right there. So yeah, this one's pretty. So let me know what you guys think on the fall decor that is out at Dollar Tree. If you like it or if you can't wait to see what kind of DIYs I'm going to do for fall. I'm really excited. Like I said, I do need to take out my, I think I have like 2 totes of fall decor, not Dollar Tree fall decor, but like Hobby Lobby and just fall decor to look through so I can see what I have. And that way when all of the stores start to have a sale, I know what I can pick up and what I need. If my Dollar Trees do decide to put out more stuff, or I happen to go when they put out more fall decor, let me know if you want to see more videos like that, and I will pick more stuff up and show y'all. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let me know what you guys think down below, and I'll see y'all in the next video.